Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. And you know, as somebody who's been reviewing and testing Milwaukee's workwear since the very beginning, I've had a front row seat at how the brand, this tool brand really, has evolved from power tools into purpose-built clothing, pretty much designed for pros on the job site. I've worn a lot of this gear daily, on site and in rough weather and through long shifts. And now I want to take a moment to just kind of share with you what works for me, what's earned a permanent place in my daily rotation, what I don't like. Now, Milwaukee's entry into workwear isn't just a trend, it's a serious move to outfit the trades from head to toe. Like their tools, their gear is a result of real-world feedback and testing, focusing on solving user frustrations, all around comfort, movement, and durability. So let's talk about the Free Flex Tech Pants, the ones I'm wearing right now. These pants are hands down my favorite pants to wear on and off the job site, but they're not perfect, and we'll get into that. They are designed for mobility in mind, and I mean that. These pants are made from kind of a wind and water-resistant 7.5 ounce nylon spandex blend, and it delivers really, really nice stretch movements. Whether I'm climbing, squatting, crawling under something, these move with me and instead of against me. They've got a stretch, gusseted crotch. Look, some of the features I love, there's a cell phone. My cell phone fits in left or right pockets. Moisture wicking stretch waistband. There's tape measure clip material, nylon reinforced kind of two clip-on zones. There's a wear-resistant heel guide on the back. It always wears off, right, from your boots. But if Milwaukee really wants to level these pants up, they need to add padded knee pockets and sell knee pads as an accessory. It's a small addition that could really make a massive difference for people like me who spend a lot of time up and down on their knees, standing on their knees, and they're not going to wear knee pads. As a carpenter, I've learned the hard way that protecting my body isn't optional, it's essential. It's easy to push through discomfort for the sake of finishing the job, getting things done, but over time that adds up and hurts us. The reality is the job site beats up your body and your clothing. So think about how often you kneel every single day. Now ask yourself, how often do you really wear knee pads? Most of us don't. So in fact, I think, 2010, there was a study over 10.4 million visits to the doctor for knee injuries. That's no surprise. The kneecap is only covered by a thin layer of skin and muscle, and the joint is complex and vulnerable. So look, my mini rant is over. Milwaukee, please add padded knees to these pants and give us some more colors like navy blue, dark gray, stuff like that. You're almost nailed it. Just give us those final touches. Let's move on to Milwaukee work pants. So these pants are a miss for me. I've got a couple different pair. They're packed with trade-focused features. There's custom knee-to-knee gusset for full range of movement. There's triple stitch seams. There's tool clip-on zones for tape measures and tools. There's 7 access pockets for tools. I tried to really like these pants, but it didn't work for me, and I'll tell you why. The zipper keeps opening, even when you fold it and lock it down. I gave them multiple chances, but this issue was enough for me to not make it into my regular rotation, and it's kind of a bummer because they're solid work pants and they're durable material. All right, let's move on to the Free Flex belt. The Free Flex belt is another one of my favorites. It's a win for Milwaukee. It's got a little bit of a flex to it. It's a black nylon belt that's built with some stretch. Non-slip buckle, that's huge. I can adjust this in and out all day to be comfortable with them, bending over or standing. This moves with you, but it gives you support and stability without feeling restricted. And there's a little bit of a bonus. I don't know if anybody noticed it, but it's technically reversible. You don't have to worry about putting it on wrong. There is a label, but once you put the belt on and you loop it through, you don't see the label, so it's hidden. And look, we've all been there, right? You early mornings, you're dressing in the dark, trying to be quiet. You put the belt on backwards, right? So well done, Milwaukee. Really nice. Now let's talk about base layers, or layering under clothing for the winter. At the risk of oversharing, I'll admit that the work skin base layers, they make great PJs, winter PJs, especially the long sleeve ones. But seriously, I work outdoors a lot, and around here, a mild northeast winter is practically an oxymoron, right? So Milwaukee's work skin base layer, shirt and pants, are purpose built for cold weather. So the feature, it basically features, what am I trying to say, like sweat wicking fabric that's gonna wick away from you and keep you dry and warm. It's next to skin comfort, it's a great stretch material, and it's amazing for layering when it's cold out. I wear them underneath my work clothes when temperatures drop, and they keep me comfortable, both long and short sleeves. And then there's the Flex Fit outerwear. So they don't just stop at base layers, they're working their way out on the other layers. There's a whole solid line of outerwear that's designed for the job site. I wear the Flex Fit insulated jackets, model 256, and it's my go-to outer layer. And it's even become a rain jacket at times because it's waterproof. I got caught in a downpour with it, and I was really surprised that it stopped the rain. It's comfortable, it's really warm, it fits well, and it's durable, and that's huge, right? Recently, a buddy of mine showed up at a job site with that jacket on, and he had it logoed on the left side, and I liked it a lot. So I've really started thinking that I'm going to probably make that jacket our company jacket with our logo on it. So kind of excited about that. I'm still playing with that idea. The other item I want to talk to you in the same line is their insulated bibs, and I've got both the original, the first one that came out, and this newer version, which I think I've only worn maybe once. The older pair of pants is pretty nasty. Luckily, I don't need to wear them too often, but when long underwear just doesn't cut it outside, I know where to reach. You know, they live in my truck. I pull them out. I can actually have them under my seat in a box, and they're amazing for extra warmth. They're easy to adjust. They fit over my winter boots, already broken in, super durable material, and just comfortable. And, you know, I like that you can put them on over your pants because they've got the buttons. They've got hand warmer pockets. I mean, these things, they've got the through pocket, or I call it like a kangaroo pocket, like a hoodie that goes all the way through. Tool pockets, just really, really nice. Again, I don't want to wear these, but when you need them, they are amazing, and even two back pockets and some side tool pockets and a hammer loop. So they've got everything my regular work pants have, but these are just, this is just for extreme weather. Really nice. Then we move on to the Flex Fit mid-weight pullover. This is probably my favorite all-around pullover. It's a little stained and dirty, but a hoodie is double layered. It's kind of like a heavyweight. It is super comfortable. I cut the drawstrings off because I don't want them to get cut on things, but it's just a heavy-duty, really durable, reinforced pockets and drop shoulder sweatshirt. Really comfortable. I wear this thing all the time. Also, Milwaukee has what they call gridiron pocket t-shirts, and they're made from a robust, breathable fabric. You know, it's built to be durable on the job site. However, I'm not into that chest pocket, and the fabric's a little rough for me. I prefer a softer shirt. Look, they're durable. They just don't hit the mark for my personal preference. I will talk about, though, the Free Flex hybrid work tee, which is this bad boy here, and they make it in short and long sleeves. By far my favorite t-shirt to wear. These guys are smooth, soft, lightweight, and breathable. I wear the long sleeve version and the short sleeve. They've got that drop shoulder design. It helps reduce wear on the seams. Offers UPF 50 protection with moisture wicking properties. So you get it all. I wear them both on and off the job site. I'm wearing one now. They're functional, durable. I wear them all the time. I just love them. All right, so now I want to talk to you about the Gridiron Sherpa lined vest. I wear the Gridiron Sherpa vest pretty much daily, and typically I wear it over a crew neck sweater with a base layer t-shirt, the work skin underneath. In fact, the Sherpa vest is pretty much my staple for everyone on the crew. All three of us have them. We love them. It's a heavy weight vest. It's durable. It's warm. It's tear resistant. It's like a Carhartt pant almost, right? Good pockets, really decent stitching, and it's got 5 pockets that give you plenty of options for tool storage and your phone or whatever. But there are 2 things that annoy me with it, and it kind of it doesn't keep me from wearing it every day. The first thing is it runs long, right? So I can't always get into my pockets of my tool belt, and it's annoying when I'm trying to access my tool belt. And the second thing is this collar. So the collar is nice and soft and stuff when it's up, but I want to fold it down sometimes, especially when I'm starting to warm up a little bit, and it keeps going up, and I kind of end up fidgeting with it all day. So I wish Milwaukee that you would probably, maybe potentially make this a little shorter so that for guys with tool bags, and maybe make that collar fold a little bit better. That would be a really, really big win for me, for sure. But I'm wearing it every day, regardless. Another piece of clothing that I wear probably more off the job site than on the job site is the Hydro Brake rain shell. The rain shell, it's become my go-to off the job site. I've worn it on the job site, but I really don't want to ruin it. Rain jackets can be expensive. This is pricey, and it's the best rain jacket I've ever had. It's got both mobility, waterproof protection. It's compressible, lightweight. You fold this thing up. It's perfect for quick on-the-go protection from weather. You can tuck it in a backpack or take it with you. So I have a kind of crummy old Ella Bean bright yellow rain jacket that I keep in my truck. I also have my winter coat that is waterproof. So I try not to bring this to the job site because I like it too much. Another item I want to talk to you about that I like a lot that I don't take to the job site is my M12 heated access vest. This is the new version vest. I love the M12 vest. I like it so much that I don't wear it to work. It's too nice. I don't want to rip it. It's really not a durable material, that you're going to catch a nail on or something. Instead, I wear it to estimates. I wear it around town. I wear it out and about. I did an entire video on this vest and the new upgrades to this Hexon heating technology that this has, as well as the app and the flat battery that you can get as an add-on for this. And you should check it out. It's pretty cool. This vest has been a total game changer, staying comfortable and warm and layering for me. I've been following this technology from the beginning, and it's outstanding. If you were going to wear this on the job site, you'd want to wear like an outer shell, something to protect it, because you could rip it. So just be careful with that. Hey, look, we're not done yet. They, like I said, head to toe, right? So they've got a couple different hats out. My favorite is the 75-1B, M75-1B fleece line beanie. Big fan of this hat. I have this one in particular goes in my personal jacket. I've got one in my van that's a little more dirty and full of sawdust. I wear it on and off the job site. I keep my nice one in my nice heated vest, and they go well together, all black. Just a really nice hat, really warm, probably the warmest hat that I own. Let's move on to the hands. Milwaukee makes a whole bunch of gloves. The Milwaukee Cut Level 1 work gloves, they work really well for me. Level 1, Level 2. So Level 1 is my go-to work glove when it's cooler out, or if I'm framing or doing demo work. Even in the summertime, I'm reaching for the Level 1 glove. When it gets really cold out, I switch to these, they're like insulated Cut Level 2. They might make Cut Level 1, I don't know, but it's an insulated Cut Level 2. And if it's really cold, I'll even put pocket hand warmers in the gloves. What I like about these gloves, they fit well. I can provide all day comfort, can handle tools with great dexterity. With the lighter ones, even the bigger ones, I can even work my phone, which is great. All right, look, final words. As someone who's been reviewing and testing Milwaukee's workwear from the very, very start, I've got a first-hand look at how far this brand has come. It's pretty cool to see. They've had great innovations with tools, and they just seamlessly transitioned into clothing. And it's impressive how the company's applied the same principles, real-world feedback, field testing, solving actual frustrations, and put it into a clothing line. The result is gear that is purpose-built, that's meant for tradespeople. What excites me the most is it's a clear focus on comfort, durability, and functionality. And that's what my values that are important to me. The line isn't just about dressing the part, though. It really is about equipping tradespeople with clothing that enhances productivity and keeps them comfortable and protected. Like I said, as a tool or product reviewer for probably 12 years now, I've been around to kind of watch this. A lot of tool companies are dabbling with clothing. Milwaukee jumped in with both feet. And they just continue to expand these product lines and branch into different categories and different things. I wouldn't be surprised if we see boots next. I know they have flannels out. I haven't got my hands on any of those yet, I will say I'm not wearing their pants on the job site daily because they don't have knee pads. I tend to wear Mascot and a few other brands that do allow me to put knee pads in them. That's just my personal preference. I wish I had done it many, many, many years ago because my knees are shot now. But I hope this gives you an idea about what Milwaukee has and some of the tools that the clothing that I like and what works for me and what doesn't. As a pro in the field, I'm looking forward to seeing what they come out with next. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little different than, say, a tool review or a tool comparison, but some pretty cool technology out there. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.